Hey everyone, this is the quick tutorial on how to create that Crypto One panel. So we start a new project, a new family, and we use the curtain wall panel template. This template comes with reference planes that help me snap solids to work planes. I'm gonna, in the reference plan view, I'm gonna create two more reference planes. One here at the top, another one here at the bottom, and then using the dimension string, I'm going to create an equality control. That way, the top and the bottom are always constrained to have the same equidistance from the center work plane. Then in the elevation, in the exterior elevation, I'm going to create an extrusion. The extrusion goes from this intersection to this intersection, and to that intersection. Click the green checkbox. And then in the floor plan, I need to make sure that this new representation it's locked and associated with the reference plane. So all you need to do is grab this handle, snap it, lock it. Snap it and lock it. That way, whatever distance this thickness is, the solid work with it both in the vertical and the horizontal direction. I'm going to do another extrusion in the opposite side. I type on the fly SI so that I snap to intersection. SI, close it. Click the green checkbox, go back to the reference plane and do the same. Grab the handle, snap it to the reference plane and click the lock icon. And I have a very simple system of planes. Now what we need to do is to create another system of solids to create a negative subtraction so that we can cut these panels using that negative solid. That's a void. So in the reference plane, I'm going to create an extrusion, and the extrusion goes from here and a line snap intersection, snap intersection, snap intersection, snap intersection, and snap intersection. Finish. And in exterior elevation, I grab the handle, snap it, lock it. And to flex the family, just stretch it and make sure that it works well. And then in the floor plan again, I'm going to create another one. Extrusion, snap intersection. It's going to be in the opposite side. From here, snap intersection. The snap intersection is important because it will snap the geometry to the reference planes, and by doing that establish a constraint. So I click the green checkbox, go to the exterior elevation, grab that handle, snap it, and then Um, now that we have these two solids on top of each other, I'm going to grab the first one and convert it into a void. And then I'm going to select the second one and convert it into a void. Now all we need to do now is to subtract them. So I use the cut under the modify tab. So cut from this solid extrusion. This void, and then repeat cut from this model extrusion this guy. Now we got the panels as I intended them to be, and then all I need to do is select them and give them a material. So I select this solid, make it glass, and then select the other solid, make it glass. I shaded. This should have this shape, and then I'm going to save this. It's a family. I'm going to call this curtain panel. Save. Then you load this into a project and replace the panel with a type definition. Okay.